Right then, if your pathway is between ST and CK, so your pathway would be either ST, TO, OC, or CK, you could be trying this task, or you could always try one that's higher. Now, in this one, we're going to make Adrian draw a series of squares going across the screen. And then there'll be a series of extension tasks where you can make him draw squares in different ways and using these techniques. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make use of this here. We've got our draw square procedure. So we've got stuff that we've seen before. Adrian is putting his pen down so that he'll start to draw. Then we've got our for loop, so he's going to repeat things. He's going to repeat it 4 times. And he's going to move forward 50. He's going to turn right 90. He's going to do that 4 times. And then he's going to go forward 50 again, so that he ends up back in the top corner so we can carry on drawing. Then he's going to lift up his pen, so in case we don't want him to draw after we use that procedure. Now you're going to start your code under here. Now I'm going to walk you through this to a certain point, and then that's where you have to take over. But you're going to have to program this in. You've got a starter file that looks exactly like you've got here. And let's just run this and see what happens. Well, Adrian starts in the middle of the screen. We've got the screen with a nice boundary so we can see what is happening. I don't want Adrian to start here. And remember, this is 0, 0, and the screen is 400 pixels wide. So this is minus 200 over here and 200 here. On the y-axis, it's minus 200 here and 200 at the top. Now I want Adrian to start over here. So I'm going to tell Adrian to go to minus 200. So go left side of the screen, but I don't want him to move up, so he's going to be right in the middle. Now something's going to go wrong here. He's going to draw a line. Pause the video and see if you can think about how we could add something here that would stop him drawing a line as he moved across the screen. Okay. Hopefully you came up with, using your cheat sheet, Adrian.pen up. Run it. Oh, what have I done wrong? I've mistyped Adrian. I didn't make that mistake on purpose. There are some mistakes I'm going to throw in on purpose during this, just to show you what you might happen. Now I'm just going to change Adrian's speed for the sake of this video, so he's going to move across. Now I want Adrian to draw a square. I need to tell him to draw a square. What do I need to type on line 16 to make Adrian draw a square? Pause the video now. Okay, hopefully you've come up with an idea of what you think needs to go here for Adrian to draw a square. And hopefully you said it was type draw square. An error some of you might make is you might use a lowercase s. Look up here, it is draw square with a capital S. Draw square. Adrian draws a square. And remember, he finishes here because I did that extra forward. But we can minimize this now because this is that's a procedure. We don't care what's going on in there. We just know it makes Adrian draw a square. Now, I could tell him several times to draw a square. What could I do here that could let me, if I tab that in, draw this square several times? What could I do here? I'm expanding that on purpose. Pause the video and have a think. Okay, let's have a look then. Did you recognize that up here we've got the repeat code information up here? Yeah, for square, in range, 4, draw square. Let's see what Adrian does. Okay, now this is as far as I'm going to take you in the demo. Your first challenge, and this is going to be written down for you as well, is to make Adrian draw squares all the way across the page. And then, if no, we'll forget that. You're going to make Adrian draw squares across the page. And then, see if you can make him come to the top and draw squares coming back down the page. Okay, use your cheat sheet, play around and see what you can do. And if you get this working, you could move on to the next level challenge, copy and paste your code into the next level challenge, watch the video, and you could try the next problem. Okay, have a go.